3 Zeiss cameras, 90 watts charging, and a display that hits 5000 nits, all in a phone that actually fits in your pocket. The Vivo X200 FE sounds impressive on paper, but let's see what it's really like in real life. Let's start with what's in the box. When you open up the package, here's what you get. The X200 FE smartphone itself, 90 watts of flash charger included in the package, the USB Type-C to Type-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, a protective case, and lastly user guide and warranty card. Now let's dive into the key features that makes this phone a monster in a compact body. First up, the design. Unlike most flagship that feels like a brick in your pocket, the X200 FE is refreshingly compact. At about 8mm thin and weighing just 186 grams, this phone actually feels premium and comfortable in the hand. It's available in 3 stunning colors, the amber yellow, frost blue, and luxe grey, each with a premium glass finish that catches light beautifully. Talking about the durability, this is built solid. It has IP68 and IP69 rating, meaning it's completely dust and water resistant. Plus you get the military grade drop protection, so fear not if you accidentally drop your phone or get caught in the rain. Now for the display, we got the 6.31 inch of LTPO AMOLED display and comes with 1.5K resolution with 120Hz of refresh rate, which makes everything look buttery smooth. Whether you are scrolling through social media or playing games, everything feels nice and smooth. For the display protection, you get the Scott Sensation Core protection, and the phone is certified with Wideband L1 and supports HDR10+, which allows you to stream HDR content on services like Netflix. All that with a crazy 5000 nits of peak brightness. So everything is crystal clear even under direct sunlight. And not to forget, there is a 2160Hz of high frequency PWM dimming too. Talking about the performance, the Vivo X200 FE packs the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor running on the Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15. It comes with 4 years of major OS update and 5 years of security updates, which makes this phone future-proof. Talking about some of the features, you get the AI screen translation with Google Lens, circle to search feature, smart call assistant with real-time translation, and Google Gemini integration. Now camera setup is where things get really exciting. You are looking at Zeiss branded triple camera setup with 50 megapixel Sony IMX921 main sensor with OIS. Then you have 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 periscopic telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. And lastly, you get 8 megapixel ultra wide with 120-degree field of view. And on the front, you again get a 50 megapixel for selfie camera. Now camera features are also insane. It has built-in Zeiss multifocal portrait mode, street photography mode, which takes great photos with amazing low light capabilities. Talking about the battery life, you get a massive 6500 mAh of battery that is largest and compact in a flagship device with 90 watts of flash charging support, and also the charger was included in the box, so it was nice. So that means you get a juice for all day, even with mild gaming, scrolling and watching movies. Now talking about the price, you get 2 variants. Both comes with the LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, and price for 12GB RAM with 256GB storage is 55,000, and for 16GB RAM and 512GB storage, it's about 60,000 rupees. Also, you can top that up with bank offers, no cost EMI and exchange offers, and you can bring the price down even more. So for latest pricing and discount offers, check out the Amazon link in the description below. But overall, Vivo X200 FE offers a lot in the segment with a compact body. It proves you don't need a huge phone to get premium features. Whether it's for camera, battery life or raw performance, this phone delivers everything you would expect from a flagship, just in a more comfortable size. However, that's it for today. Now if you are looking for phones under 30,000, then there you go. And if you are looking for laptops under 35,000, then this will definitely help. What do you think about the phone? Let me know in the comments below. Like to subscribe. Stay safe. Bye bye.